Go to Member Admin menu, select Family Master, click on Add button. Enter the family name. Click on Save. Click on Search. You can create unlimited family member. Click OK. Go to Member Admin menu. Select Member Master. Click on Add button. Enter the member name. Select Family. Click OK. Kindly enter the respective details. Not mandatory. Click on Save. Go to Member Admin menu, select Change Member, select New Member. Click on Start Work. Go to Member Admin menu, select Change Financial Year, select the member, select the year. Click on Start Work. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.